Hello everyone and welcome back. This new series will be about house remodeling by amateurs. We're not professional designers, builders or remodelers by any means. So hopefully these remodeling videos will save you some time and troubles and hopefully money as well. Before doing anything, we needed to understand and prioritize what needs to be done. So anywhere we looked at property, anything looked like something will have to be done here or there. So the question was, how and where should we start? After a little bit of thinking, we decided to start with smaller places. And smaller places, I mean closets, bathrooms maybe. Also, we wanted to make a place livable as soon as possible. So decision was quick to go ahead and start with a small bathroom upstairs. As you can see, the bathroom upstairs is really small. I would say it's about 40 square feet. So in fact, it's kind of, this setup reminded me of those old New York apartments and those small bathrooms. Yeah, just like that. As you can see, what we got was really nothing special. In fact, kind of run down. Vanity and the furniture, all that eventually went to garbage. We could not ourselves actually put a new shower, so that was outsourced. A local company came and they did it within a day, and it's quite minimalistic, but it's functional, it's nice, it's clean, it looks good, and we were happy with the work overall. Removing vanity was easy, and we also removed part of the wall so that we could fix some plumbing issues and install an outlet for the light that would go above new vanity. One thing that drove me crazy a little bit is the fact that these old houses, I guess that's how they used to do things, that the tiles would not be everywhere. So again, now we have this area where there is no tile, so and it's bare flooring. I mean, no big deal, because eventually we will put new tiles, but still something that I don't understand. The next step was putting the wall back. And of course, paint. For the paint, I use this product. It's reasonably priced, and it creates a nice leveled coat, and it's wash and scratch resistant. There was no vent, so we had to actually install a vent, and the choice was to get something that has a light and a vent at the same time. Let's take a look and listen. Alexa, turn on bathroom light.
Okay.
Final steps were adding towel racks, switches, outlets, vanity, mirror, light, and some decorations. For this small bathroom, this will be it. So now let's quickly go ahead and take a look at before and after.